What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be unboxing the BLU G90 Pro. Okay, so I just got this phone in from BLU. I want to thank them for sending us this one. And, I've been using a lot of these BLU phones over the last 2 or 3 years because they're just really nice, cheap gaming phones and just budget phones. Now, this one's got a really nice box design on it. Really like the purple. Looks like it says it's Fortnite compatible. And it also lists the specs on the back of the box, which is pretty cool. Now, if you guys do want to check this one out as I'm going over it, currently it costs about $200 to get this one. I'll have a link in both the description and comments if you guys want to, learn more about it. But this is actually a pretty, this is a more expensive phone for BLU because they usually release phones between like $100 and $150. But getting the box off was pretty easy. So got some plastic wrapping here. Now, the phone itself looks like it's purple, which kind of matches the box, obviously. But, got our basic stuff in here. Power cable, headphones, plug. Pretty cool. Looks like there's a case that comes with it as well. But what's this? A sticker? All right, that's pretty funny. All right, so they're doing stickers now. Looks pretty cool, though, I gotta say. All right, I'm gonna throw the box aside so we can take a closer look at the actual phone. All right, the plastic's on here pretty good. It looks like I gotta kind of rip it off. Looks like there's a screen protector built in on this phone too when you get it, which is nice. Probably end up taking that off. All right, let's tear this thing off here. It's on there pretty good. All right, making some progress. All right, yeah, the back of the phone is purple. Looks really nice. All right, finally getting this off. Let's get this screen protector off. Okay, very cool. All right, let's get the plastic off the back as well. Man, there's a lot of plastic on this thing. All right, this phone definitely looks really nice. Really like the purple backing design on it. Looks very sleek. Okay, let's power this thing on. Let's get it loaded up here. All right, so I went through the setup real quick on here, and I want to just, take a look at the custom wallpaper that comes on this phone. I feel like we got to switch it up, so I want to see what some of the other wallpapers are on here. And as far as the display, this phone does have a big display. It's a 6.5-inch Full HD Infinity display. It's got a MediaTek Helio G90T gaming chipset and, camera on it, 48 megapixels, 38 megapixel selfie camera. So, that's pretty good camera specs for a $200 phone for sure. All right, but let's take a look at some of the wallpapers. All right, since this is a BLU phone, I feel like we need to use a BLU wallpaper, you know what I mean? Oh, that looks really nice. That's what I'm going with right there. Looking real fresh. All right, I'm just gonna set this. Let's take a look at it. All right, really nice. Okay, so what I want to do next is, check out some of the video quality. We'll check out some of the sound quality on this phone as well, just to, see how loud it is. And, just taking a look at the back of it again. Like I said, I really like the purple design on this. Just looks really nice. Okay, so let's throw up a quick video here. I think I'm going to throw up this COD Mobile, this new trailer. It's pretty freaking awesome. So let's check it out.
Threat neutralized. You're here because you're the best special forces NATO has to offer.
You're all that keeps the world from turning to cinders, comrades.
We work off the books
Operate in the shadows.
to keep the wolves at bay.
Today, we reshape the world.
What the fuck are we doing in Miami?
Let them come.
Go, go, go! Time to punch that top card.
All right, so watching video on this phone looks really good, and you really get most of the display on this phone at that 6.5 inches. But now I'm going to throw up some Street Fighter gameplay so we can check out some of the gaming.
Street Fighter 4. And the curtain is raised on the world's most extinct fighting tournament. The fight card is filled in. Which of these warriors will prove their strength to the world? Who will come out on top?
Mission complete.
Will the tide of battle turn?
Mission complete.
You win!
So this phone definitely made a good first impression on me. I'm excited to do more videos with it, especially for gaming purposes. You guys could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and if you want to learn more about the BLU G90 Pro, I'll have some links in both the description and comments, and we'll see you in the next one.